Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is VIN 0510, VIN 510. This is an update number 1 to episode 263, which I did about a week and a half ago, the end of June 2026, early July 2026. And this is a 2016 8X1, which is ultrasonic blue mica 2.0 with LA30 red interior. So this is the Superman spec, the blue on red with the orange calipers. And it was originally for sale at a dealer in New Jersey, and they had it listed for $55,000, as they talk about it in the original video. And I guess they sent it to auction. So then now it's here at Manheim in Nashville, Tennessee, July 8th of 2026. And that's a wholesale dealer auction, for those of you not familiar. 61,500 miles, and it was bid to $55,750 this morning, but it was pending sale, so on approval, which means that it didn't meet the reserve, but it's maybe close enough where the buyer and seller can make a deal, so maybe it will sell for a little bit more than that. But $55,750 was still a pretty strong number for a 16 with 60,000 miles. Production statistics. Look at the original video for all of that information, as well as Carfax, EpicVin, and AutoCheck, and the previous sales. Nothing has changed in a week and a half. However, some of the things that have changed are the photos. So we didn't have any photos originally from the previous listing, from the previous video. And so now you can see that it has an Alcantara steering wheel. It could be an RCF model steering wheel, like a track model steering wheel, or it could be an aftermarket wheel, but either way, it's not the factory wheel. It has aftermarket exhaust. It has wheel spacers, and it has some curb rash on the wheels, along with a couple scratches here and there on the paint that are pointed out in the photos. I will leave the full spectrum of photos at the end of this video, because there's several. I have like 50 photos of this car, but there's a few chips, a few scratches, and a few dings, but nothing that a little reconditioning couldn't fix. It looks like it needs front brakes. It's got some pretty good lips on the front rotors. So if it doesn't need it right away, it may need it pretty soon. The rears look a little bit better shape. The other concern I had in the other video was this is a New York State car its whole life, but it doesn't have a lot of miles. And so my concern was it winter driven? And so the auction does provide an undershot photo. It doesn't look overall very rusty or anything like that. I do see a little bit of rust on the differential cover, on the differential itself, and things like that, but like nothing excessive. And so I don't think it was like regularly winter driven, if that's the case. So as far as the price goes, the price paid, or the price bid to, I would call that nearly full retail in this market. Mid 50s, maybe even upper 50s. People are willing to spend a little bit more for the Superman spec cars, but they pretty much paid retail of where the current market is. However, the dealer's gonna have to make some money if they do make a deal. This car's probably going to start with a 6 in the price for the first digit. I'm suspecting that it's gonna be $61,000, $62,000, something like that, when you see it come up for sale. As far as the service history goes, nothing has changed. So just look at the previous video for any of that. And so that brings me to, would I buy this car? At the current price that it was bid to, yes. But more than that, you're starting to get up there when it starts to feel overpriced. And the market is moving up, and pretty quickly at that. You can see, by my previous videos, there's a lot of them that have gone up in price. And so maybe that's the case here too. If this car is justified in the upper 50s, lower 60s, but again, I would probably expect to see this car in the lower 60s. At that price, I would probably not consider it, but that's kind of where the market is headed, and I think that's probably where it's gonna be. So kind of a short update. That's all I've got for you. VIN 0510. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.